so I am back again with another video for you all, and this time this is not a big product though, but this is the Buds Air cover. So you can see it comes up in a good casing or the box, as similar as the original one. Okay, the Buds Air, how the box looks like, it's typical Realme style. It's nice yellow, and you have the product information on the front, that's the cover, and on the side you have the Realme logo, and then you have the product information. So this one is the blue color, and as you can see the price is $599. So what I feel about this product I will let you all know, but for now let's go into the unboxing of this video. It's pretty light. Okay, so let's just open up and see. So I've already cut this out and I'll show you all what do you get inside the box. So I don't expect a lot of things, but I feel a cover with a badge would be fine, or maybe something, and that's it. There is no documentation or anything included in the box. So let's have a check on the product itself. All right, so you get two pieces. Okay, so one is for the top and one is for the bottom, so you get two piece. So the product feels nice. It's not amazing. Okay, so I bought this for $399, that is 400 Indian rupees, and I feel for the price it's actually not that great. It should have been around $199 or $249. Okay, and for the price I feel okay. It's a proprietary, and they have some R or the Realme R branding on top, and overall you can see, so that's there in the product. And then material is a bit soft or light over here. It's not that hard as the one you have this entirely, so that you can see the light glowing through this. I'll show you all how does it look like when you put it on the Realme Buds Air cover. And this is what all you get in the box. So you get the cover, the rubber cover, and then you get this hook so that you can put it over here and you can tag it on your bag or your on your jeans or anywhere you like. So I'll keep this thing aside, and I'll just keep this thing aside, and I'll show you the other box as well. So I have bought two boxes. I'll keep this thing aside over here. So I have bought two covers, so I thought if this gets spoiled I'll buy another one. So I thought why to buy it separately, so I bought it together. And this one is the same box, nothing different. Okay, you get the black color on this, but this is not the black color in the box. You get another color. So the color which I have over here is the yellow. So if you have a Realme product and you don't have any yellow color on it, so I would say it's not Realme. So I bought this color as well, so I found it good. Okay, and that's why I bought this. I'll keep this aside. Same thing over here, you get the top part and the bottom part over here, and then you get the lock over here. Okay, so at the bottom you have a hole or a section wherein you can put your charging cable in it, and that will charge your device, and that's it, nothing much. And it's, I would say, okay for $399 or $400. Okay, to be clear enough, you have to pay $399 or $400 for this, plus 50 rupees delivery charges. So for the price of $450, it's too expensive. You have other options on other websites like Amazon and Flipkart, but then as you know it, this exactly is not as your Apple earpods. It is a bit bigger size, so it will not fit on the other covers, because other covers are mostly for the Apple earpods. So for this I feel that it's okay to buy it, because it's going to be one time you would spend it. But then I think Realme should think about the pricing and rework on it, and definitely get it in a cheaper variant or the cheaper price. So the quality is fine, but the price is not that good enough. And let's have a check on how does it look like when you put it on this earbuds. So let's try it. So it's simple. You just put it like a pill inside this, and it seamlessly goes inside. So here it goes. So here is a gap, so wherein your hinge does not fidget with the rubber. So the design what Realme had got in the beginning was different. It had a connection, it had a small lip like a cover connecting this to your bottom part, but then there were complaints that it was tearing off and it was breaking out. So I think Realme had gone through a new design, and they have come up with this one, and wherein it's much easier for us. But then I hope it does not come out that easily. If it does, then it would definitely be easy to lose. So I feel that Realme should actually work on this and have a better quality cover. So this is how it looks like. So I'll just put it on and I'll show you all. So here it goes. Okay, yep. So this is how the cover fits in, and it's good. It's not that flimsy enough, but then okay for this. So you get a nice feel. It's nice and matte. It's of course made out of rubber silicone, so it's nice. And this is how it looks like, entire package. So of course you can put it on your bag or wherever you like. But then yeah, this is the short unboxing and first impression of the Realme Buds Air Iconic cover. Thanks for watching guys, and do like and subscribe this video, and do support me so that I can give you more of such videos and tell you more about these products, so that helps you to make a correct decision. Thanks for watching.